Samsung is rumored to have been working on the next One UI release, 8.5. Yesterday, an early build meant for the Galaxy S25 Ultra was spotted on Samsung servers. One UI 8.5 is expected to be the version with which the Galaxy S26 series will launch. Today we have our first look at One UI 8.5, courtesy of a developer who was able to modify the Galaxy S25 Ultra build to run on a Galaxy S21 Plus. The settings menu has more compact items without subtitles, while the search bar moved to the bottom where it's much more easily accessible. There's an overflow gradient on both top and bottom edges, and drop shadows on all the containers and the search bar. The search page now shows different categories in a 3-column grid. When you enter any specific menu in settings, the back button floats above the content once you scroll and gets a drop shadow of its own, a look which seems inspired by iOS 26 at least in part. If One UI 8.5 is intended to launch alongside the Galaxy S26 family as rumored, then we have plenty of time until January to see many more leaks about it, so stay tuned. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.